开始。
Are you worried about your little headache? Who resistant of toothbrush and a VERCON Smart Mirror got the best solution for you. Let's check our toothbrush solution. This beautiful application provides all that toothbrush course for the kids and teach them how to brush this correctly. Let's see how it works. So you can start toothbrushing.
Grab your toothbrush and start brushing. 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go.
Bottom left. Don't brush too hard.
You can also
Be gentle to your teeth.
adjust the
Brush
sounds
up, brush down.
on the touch
Say
screen.
goodbye to monsters.
Okay.
Scrub the inside.
So after finished, you can check all the records on that.
Use dental floss and
More than that, so
dental
it can
brush.
provide all that
Between the teeth
rewards to keep encourage the kids to drop. So with VERCON Smart Mirror, it can ease the parents' headache. And this is just one of our magic function of our smart mirrors.